Are you looking to get your hands on a pair of hand models? Well, if you're working on a VR project, hands can be really useful, and sometimes when you're just doing code, you don't have the time to make art or you just don't have the skills. So there's a resource that some people don't realize, which is there's Oculus hand models, and it's actually a part of the developer website through Oculus. So if you were to come here, you go to developeroculus.com and you'd find the Oculus hand models. This is under a Creative Commons license, so you can use these things even for commercial uses. But basically, you read the agreement and then you'd go to download. The only issue is that the download becomes a zip file, and in that zip file are a left and right Maya file. So if you don't have Maya, you're kind of screwed. But if you do have a link that I'm going to share here. So actually, I went ahead and took that model with the creative license and I uploaded it to Gumroad real fast and allowed you guys just to have FBX versions of it. So if you're looking for some hand models for your project, you can come in here and just pay nothing if you want. It doesn't matter. If you want to support, you can donate, but don't stress about it. So if you're looking for a left and right hand model, I'll add a link in the description to make it really easy to get. And hopefully this helps you guys get VR hands into your Unreal and Unity projects. So without that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.